gentlemen, welcome back to another SlidingonTwoz video. Hey man, today is going to be a short video. I just wanted to introduce myself to the SlidingonTwoz nation, just to give you a small idea of who I am. All right, as you can see, we're outside, man. I wanted to come and do a quick introduction video. Hey, if you're new to the channel, hey, welcome. And if you've been here before, you know what it is. I've been on YouTube about 2 years now and have about 52 videos. So I just wanted to stop and take the time to thank all of my subscribers for watching my videos and for all of the great comments. Well, I'm your boy Clutch C, and this is my bike. It's a 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic 900cc. And I've had the bike about the same time I started the channel. This is my first bike. I'm a new rider about 2 years in, and this is what I started on. Hey, and there are approximately 3 reasons why I started riding a motorcycle. Let's talk about them. Okay, reason number 1, both of my boys, aged 31 and 35, both ride sports bike and have been riding for years. They would come by the house after a ride and say how much fun they was having, and I just really had a desire to be with them. So that's one of the reasons I bought a bike. Reason 2, some might just say it's a midlife crisis because I waited till I was 60 years old to buy a motorcycle. And reason number 3, I'm a retired college professor. I taught photography and computer software for 15 years, although I've been taking pictures for 35 years. So I just thought it would be a great hobby for my retirement. And I'm still an active master professional photographer. I've been photographing since I was 27 years old. So now in my retirement age, I just combine my 2 passions, photography and motorcycling. Photography, motorcycling, and YouTube is just a great outlet for me in my retirement age. And I'm enjoying it because I just love riding and doing videos with my GoPros. So I've been married for 41 years and have 4 chaps. You say, what does that mean? 4 kids. I have 3 boys and 1 girl. So when I first started this channel, I knew nothing about motorcycles. I mean, my boys would come through now and again, but you know, change their oil, change their tires, do different things. But I just watched. I had no idea what they were doing. I really didn't have a big interest in it. But I'm fortunate enough to have 3 older Harley riders that showed me the ropes and a few of their bad habits at the same time. And my second oldest son is a moto officer with the sheriff's department. And hey, I've learned a lot just riding with him. Although I'm new to motorcycling, hey, I guess it's just a teacher in me that every time I learn something new, I just want to share it with the channel, share it with you guys, ladies and guys. And like I said, I'm a fairly new rider, but every day I've learned something new about my motorcycle. Hey, this is not a how-to pro channel. Hey, this is just one new rider trying to share my journey with other new riders. So that's who I am in a nutshell. So hey, if you're a new rider, come on, join me in this journey by hitting that subscribe button and let's learn together. And I welcome any constructive comments from you older riders, or should I say seasoned riders. And I just want to thank y'all for watching. All right, we sliding, baby.
Low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow,